Today, we are looking at the Pagani Zonda C12 kit from Aoshima, the 124 scale full detail kit. Just got released late in 2021. It is one of Aoshima's new toolings from last year, from 2021. Not sure how much tooling this shares between the Wyra. All the test shots that were shown, I didn't see a whole lot of tooling and parts that looked like they were carried over from that kit. So there's also a detail upset sold separately that you can get that contains photo etch, carbon fiber, and other goodies. And it is today's What's in the Box. Taking a look at the next parts tree that contains a good amount of the body pieces, or some body pieces anyway. You have the top roof section as well as the exterior door panels. And back here, you have a set of wheel wells, maybe license plate frame pieces. And moving on to the next body parts tree, which has more exterior body pieces. On the right, it looks like those are the headlight capsule pod pieces. Lower rocker panels, front lower bumper valence piece, splitter. Now taking a look at basically the rest of the body pieces. You know, the majority of them have the front hood, boot, whatever we want to call it, piece. You have the rear engine cover. And then some vent pieces up there. And whatever those pieces are for there. Now taking a look at it, and kind of we'll call it interior parts tree. Has the fronts, the seats, the only seats, steering wheel, some more vent grill pieces. Looks like the mirrors. Now looking at another body parts tree. This has the rear panel, or taillight panel, lower bumper, diffuser piece. And then let's have part of the spoiler. One of the spoilers there. And we'll get on to the next parts tree, which has brake rotors and some other, looks like some engine pieces, piping, what have you. Now take a look at the brakes. A little bit of detail on the brakes. Now they are slotted, or drilled, I should say. You have headers there, actually, exhaust. Now we're going to take a look at some of the chrome plated and satin chrome plated parts. First, the one that has wheels. They are skinny out, wide out back, skinny out front. And he has some other parts down there. Looks like he has exhaust tips. And on to the next parts tree, which has the vents, center console, radio, HVAC, whatever piece, pedals. And onto the chrome parts tree, which is basically the exhaust, the muffler piece. And getting started now with the chassis parts tree. So here with the chassis plate. Here looks like we have the radiator, front strut spring assembly piece. And here we have more pieces. And front and rear spindles, more of the shock spring, strut setup, tie rod, suspension, part of the top part of the suspension piece there on the right. Now we're going to take a look at the main interior parts tree. Start up here with the bucket, interior bucket, which is sort of, you know, light on detail. It's okay because most of it builds up to it anyways. And down here we have the dash, center console, steering column, other interior storage bits, looks like more dash pieces, gear shift, the interior door panels. Here we have like a rear bulkhead piece as well as the seat backs. And now moving on to the engine and suspension chassis parts tree. Start up here at the top with the engine halves, along with the transmission, front pulley piece, and you have the valve covers, another engine piece. Here we have some more bracing, the rear suspension setup. The engine's going to sit on one of them. Build around the engine, the framing. Now we're going to take a look at the roundy rounds. A set of polycaps and a set of bracing to hold the doors open. Now we're going to take a look at the transparent red and orange lenses. Most is going to be for the tail lights. Now we're taking a look at the clear parts tree. You can see there are two of them. First, the main parts tree, which has the nice small little parts tree. This will be, you'll use these to build up the tail lights, part of the tail lights and the side marker lights, it looks like. Now we're going to take a look at the decal sheet and masking sheet first. The window mask sheet, which has front, rear, roof, side window masks, and the decal sheet. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the Pagani Zonda C12 S kit from Aoshima. Want to get yourself some color matched Zonda paint. You know, hold James and Scalefinishes and see if you can, because I have no idea. That's if you can find the paint codes. If you have paint codes, send them to him, see if you can get them done. I don't know if you can. Let's hope this is going to be a better engineered kit than the Wire was, and it goes together much better and with better fit. So on that note, thanks for watching. See you next time.